Assalamu alaikum, class 7. Today we have to do question number 7. If U is equals to universal set is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Means 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 9. And A is equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And B is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And C is equals to 1, 2, 3, 8. And D is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have to find these parts. So first of all we have to find the A union B. So A is equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and union B is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So in the union of A and B we have to write all the elements that are contained in the set A and also in the set B. So that are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I will written in the arrangements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the elements which are contained in the set A or in the set B. Now we have to move our part number 2, A union D. A is equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 union. D is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7. So all the elements which are contained in the set A and in the set B are written here. 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now as same as B union C. B is a 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Union C is 1, 2, 3, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 9 are the union of B and C. Those elements which are contained in both the sets are written once. Now we have to find part number 4, C union D. As same as 1, 2, 3, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7 is a D set. So we have to write all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in part number 5 we have to find A complement. And as we know that A complement is equal to U minus A. So A complement is equals to universal set is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 9 minus A set is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So those elements which are contained in the first set and not in the second set is the A complement. 0 is common, so 0 is not written. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now move to part number 6, B complement. B complement is equals to U minus B. So we have to subtract the set B from the universal set. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 9 minus the B set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 0, which elements are common are not written. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is those elements which are contained in the universal set but not in the set B. Part number 7, C complement. C complement is U minus C and the universal set is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 9 minus C is 1, 2, 3, 8. So the common elements are not written. 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 are those elements which are contained in set universal set but not in the set C. D complement is as same. Now we have to move part number 9, B minus A. B slash A can be written as B minus A. So set B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 minus set A is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So those elements which are contained in set B but not in the set A can be written. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 whole set is not given in the set A. These members are unique. No element is common, so set B is written as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now part number 10. D slash C means D minus C, that is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7 minus set C is 1, 2, 3, 8. So the no common element. So 4 is not given in this set, 5 is not given, 6 is not given, 7 is not given. So 4, 5, 6, 7 is the difference of these two sets. Okay student, now we have to move up question number 8. If A is equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. So A union B is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 union the set B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So all the elements which are contained in set A and B are written. Part number 2, A intersection B. Intersection B is equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 intersection 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So in the intersection common elements can be written. So no common element in the set A and B. So this is an empty set. Part number 3, A minus B. A is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 because no element is common in both sets. So set A is in the difference of two sets. Number 4 is B minus A. So set B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 minus set A is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 can be written in the difference of two sets because no element is common. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are not in the set A. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is the difference of B and A. Question number 6, students, is your homework as same as question number 7. And question number 9 is your homework as same as part number question number 8 part 3 and 4. So we have to move our question number 10. Find the universal set if A is equals to 1 3 5 7 9 and its complement is 4 5 6 7 12. As we studied in the previous lecture, the union of set and its complement produces a universal set. So if we have to find the universal set, we have to find its union, the set and its complement, the union of the set and its complement. So we have to find A union A complement to find the universal set. So as we know that universal set is equals to A union A dash. So A is 1 3 5 7 9 is given in the question, and A union A intersection is 4 5 6 7 12. So their union will be 1 3 4 5 6 7 9 and 12. This is the universal set.